Family. What is your description? Is it just mom, dad, and the kids, and all of your relatives, or is it more? Maybe the combined memories, experiences, and feelings of all those you love. Which begs, if you truly love, is it selfless? Is there forgiveness? Are you willing to create the good memories, experiences, events, and take the not so good as a chance to make your love better, stronger, and more committed? No scorecards, grudges, or retribution, only true love. Is this you? I hope so. Hold close the ones you love. Kurt, our youngest, a man now for many years, has developed a life and work that he and his family are proud of. Recently bought a house, and he and his girlfriend are exhaustively working to improve it, making it a home. For our first visit to this part of the country, Kurt and Katie have graciously taken a break from renovating to show us around.
No caffeine.
Like his home, local coffee shop, and other points of interest, even if there is a backup to get in. College kids, showing off their knowledge of local species. Check out Ellie, our dachshund. She seems enthralled with the young lady's spiel. iconic photo opportunities, and beautiful vistas. Anxious to see our grandkids, Kurt offered to drive me out to pick them up and bring them back for an overnighter with the grandparents. We, of course, couldn't resist to stop and drone some beautiful views and get some shots of the kids enjoying our drones. First at the riverside and then at Frog Lake. No, we didn't see any frogs, possibly because it's getting pretty cold.
I'll tell you about this one.
Yeah.
No, I don't have a lighter.
Back to the RV to bed down for the night with pizza and juice before heading back with the boys to meet with their dad who had to work the day before. Drew, our oldest, found the work he loves, testing and working on big rig diesels. He has also recently bought a home in Oregon with a large piece of property that he is constantly improving. His girlfriend there to cheer him on. Drew couldn't pass up an opportunity to take the 3 generations of licensed men on a drive. Of course, he managed to find just the perfect stretch of road. Seeing all of our boys, excuse me, men, together was a treat I absolutely loved. We will be back often on our travels to watch them all grow. We enjoyed your company and hope you enjoy and can relate to our story. So if you're thinking of watching more, how about liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and click on the little bell icon on our YouTube page to get notified every time we put out a new video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please share this and all of our videos with anyone else who you may know who might be thinking of making their own journeys of discovery. Travel safe.